last video, we couldn't get to the Mangrove Walkway that day as it was getting dark. So it's 6th of November 2018 and we are on our way to Port Blair from Diglipur. We stayed last night here in Rangat at the Hawksbill Nest, which is by the Andaman and Nicobar Tourism. It's a guest house, tourism guest house. And now we are going to go to the Mangrove Walkway, look around, spend some time here, and then we'll start our journey for Port Blair. So follow me. This is yet again a favorite place of mine. This walkway is beautiful. You'll get to see a lot of tropical trees here along with the mangroves, and they are also named. So if you have an interest in this area, that is also great. Even if not, wow, the whistling of the trees. Even if not, this is a great place to spend your time. I decided to take a little bit of rest at one of these huts that are made along the walkway. The place is calm and quiet. What I like the most here is the whistling of the trees, the wind that is making the leaves of these trees whistle, and you can hear the waves of the sea also from this place, and definitely a lot of birds. इधर जाना है ना? देर ना? इधर? वहाँ पे दिख रहा है बाहर कुछ है?
इधर भी दिखेगा ना? ये मार्स में नहीं जा रहा है रास्ता।
We are about to reach the beach, Dhani Nallah beach. This thing that you see behind me is a turtle hatchery. It's at the end of the Mangrove Walkway at Dhani Nallah, and during the breeding season, people here bring the turtles which lay eggs on the beach and save them from the predators until they hatch and go back to the sea. So this area, this confined area, is designated to that.